surgeons. We're sorting the bottles, which are then washed and shredded into flakes of flakes. These become pellets for new products.
Industries convert waste plastic bottles into recycled plastic sheets or granules. Shredding machines cut them into
Optical scanners identify PET, HDPE, and other plastics and separate them.
A giant industrial shredder chops bottles into uniform flakes. High-speed, rotating blades cut bottles. Freezes. The clean flakes are fed into an extruder where they melt at 260 degrees. The molten plastic is pushed through a
Pellets enter huge injection molding machines. Machines heap and inject molten plastic into planter molds. Hydraulic pressure forms perfect. The planters move into robotic spray booths for a UV-resistant coating. Decorative patterns are added before they pack. Step 1.7, packaging and distribution. Final planters are checked under industrial quality control. Developers. Recycled PET plastic is collected and melted in high-temperature extrusion machines. Industries then convert the Industries recycle PET bottles into crystal clear pellets. Special filtration removes raw impurities that block light.
Molten PET is blown into lamp-shaped molds. Compressed air inflates the melted plastic like a balloon.
Step 2.4, LED unit assembly. Robots install LED holders inside each lamp.
Industrial sprayers coat the lamps with frosted, matte, or glossy finishes. Some lamps receive metallic gold or silver electrocoating.
Lamps enter quality testing rooms. Machines test heat resistance at 60 degrees Celsius for long hours. Finished lamps are placed in foam-padded boxes. Cartons get printed branding and instruction manuals. Robots.
Laser cutters refine and enlarge feeding ports. Robotic drills smooth the edges to prevent bird injury.
Metal or wooden perches are inserted through automated arms. Machines lock them into place with pressure clamps.
Feeders are sprayed with outdoor weatherproof coating. Sunlight-resistant layers prevent fading. Industrial dryers cure the coating completely. Automatic feeders load seeds to test flow rate. Sensors check whether seeds pass smoothly. Machines shake feeders lightly for real-life simulation.
This one goes to the back.
All right, I got it. Watch your step.
We melt recycled PET and HDPE plastics, blow molding them into two-part systems. Robotic cutters mold two parts, the top planting chamber and the bottom water reservoir. Blow molding creates hollow shapes. Sensors check for
Robotic cutters create wick holes at the bottom of the top chamber. Shape and width are standardized for stable moisture flow. Machines remove excess plastic for smooth finish.
Cotton or nylon wicks are cut by auto cutters. Robotic arms thread them through wick tunnels. Reservoirs are filled with water on a conveyor. Sensors detect any drop in water level. Leaky pieces are rejected.
Top and bottom parts are locked together. Clips or twist locks are added by machines. A final pressure test ensures strong.
Automated spray booths color the pots. Brand logos are printed using UV printers. Pots pass through drying.
Here are your pots. Signature, please.
Perfect, thank you. They look great.
We start by transforming waste plastic bottles into colored granules. These granules are then fed into injection.
See how clear these amber granules are. That indicates high purity after drying.
Molten plastic is injected into multi-cavity molds. Each cavity forms a cup, compartment, or tray. Robotic cutters remove rough edges. Polishing wheels smooth the surfaces. Laser scanners check. Robots arrange all parts on conveyor belts.
Glue guns, screws, or snaps attach sections together.
Weight tests check each compartment's strength. Drop tests ensure durability. Color